6 years ago, we started from a very simple idea to digitalize oilfield rentals. And right now we have a digital oilfield platform which works as a single tool for the entire rental operations from first client call to the final rental invoice.
RigER is for small and medium-sized companies who want to improve the efficiency of their rental operations in inventory tracking, invoice processing, and information exchange between office and oilfield.
So RigER connects all information that comes from the field to the office. So basically we connect office and oil field. And you are able to see all operational information in one system. So how do we do that? We use the office application and the mobile application. And by integrating them under one roof, you're able to see all operational information in one system. And better yet, RigER also provides customized solution that allows you to organize it and configure to meet your needs. RigER provides unique customization opportunity for every business. We also offer very fast implementation cycle, fastest in the industry. And on top of that, RigER also integrates with accounting applications, e-invoicing applications, GPS tracking, and electronic document signature. So all of that constitutes how we are different.
Fast implementation and development, deep customization, responsive support, and personalized training, and it fits the budget of small and medium-sized businesses.